Think vendor fairs are worth your time. Hey everybody, today I'd like to share with you my top 7 reasons for attending woodworking vendor fair. And because I'm having a good hair day, as you can see, I thought it'd be a good day to make a video. Okay, yeah, I've got a messy garage, whatever. Okay, first reason, get answers to your questions. So the way these things work is they will have this booth set up. You go right up to them and start asking your questions. And it's not just going to be 1 or 2 questions. You're going to be able to have a dialogue, a conversation back and forth. And you may even think of new questions while you're talking to them. So you'll be able to get answers to your questions. A woodworking vendor fair is not the same thing as a craft fair. A vendor fair is when vendors set up booths to share information about their products. And these are hosted by local businesses like a woodworking business or a hardwood lumber supplier. They use them probably to bring in business. Disclaimer time. Because this is about vendor fairs, I'm going to be naming vendors, but I do not have, as of the timing of this video, okay, let's be honest, never have I had a business relationship with any of these vendors. So let's get going. My name is James, and this is Homestyle Woodcrafts. Number 2. Okay, this is an exciting one. The second reason I have on my list is that you're going to be able to see new products and product innovations. In other words, you're going to be able to see the newest stuff. And so you're going to be able to get some of the cutting edge woodworking information out there. Number 3. All right, how about this? Number 3, not backwards. So the third reason I think vendor fairs are a great use of your time is because you are going to see demos of the tools from the vendors themselves by a company representative. They are going to show you how to use the tool. They're going to show you how to use it safely. They're going to show you accessories to the tool. They're going to show you the various uses of the tool, and you're going to be able to ask them even more questions based on what you see in the demonstration. It's a great way to gather information and also evaluate if it's something that you want. Is it time for number 4 already? Well, all right. So number 4. Fourth reason I think vendor fairs are worth your time is because sometimes you actually get a chance to work hands-on with the tool. So the last vendor fair I went to, Festool had it set up so you could try out their sanders. And so it's really awesome when you get a chance to hold the tool, use it, test it out, versus just reading about it online or watching a video about it online. Go get some hands-on experience. Number 5. So number 5 is you're going to have an opportunity to make some personal connections. Let me give you 2 examples that happened to me. So at one of the vendor fairs I went to, I saw a display table for a local woodworking club. And I went over and I started talking to them, and they had some information on a charitable project that they do every year. And that really interested me because I like the idea of using my hobby to give back to the community. So I joined up, and since then I made a lot of great people, and I've learned a lot, and it's been a really great experience. The second example is at another vendor fair, I met a local scroll saw artist, and she was really nice, and we talked a little bit, and I've been able to see some of her work, and I really enjoyed that because that kind of art is something that I aspire to someday. So to make that little connection was really cool. So go and make some personal connections. Oh, hey, I think it's time for number 6. All right, so this is a fun one. And that's because you get free stuff at vendor fairs. So let me show you some of the stuff, okay? So they're like free carpenter pencils, pens that look like they're made out of wood. I think this one was made out of wood. Little tape measure. This is great for measuring crocodile toes. You know, like 1/4 inch, I'd say. Let's see, pens. We got an assortment of keychains. That one's made out of wood. This is a Old Masters wet film thickness gauge. Nice. None of that cheap dry film stuff. I hate this. Sanding pads. Check this out. We got some t-shirts. Those are always, it's always nice to have some t-shirts to wear around, and if they get ruined, it's not that big of a deal. Hats. Got my saw stop. Got my Festool. What do you think? Festool, cool. I got this. This is like, I think, for ketchup or mustard. I'll probably use it for wood glue though. Here's a nice bag from Festool, and you can get a lot of sort of product catalog and information. So anyway, I don't know about you, but I like free stuff, so that's fun. I have found the hosting stores to be universally friendly and helpful. And that's mostly true for the vendors as well. They've been friendly, helpful, willing to answer my questions, willing to have conversations, sometimes lengthy conversations, which I really appreciate. There have been a couple that haven't, which is surprising, but you know, whatever. Okay, number seven. It's time for number 7. Okay, so this is a fun one too. Free food. Now, I can't guarantee that every vendor fair is going to have free food, but one of the ones I go to every year does. When I get there, they give me a ticket, and that ticket's good for a meal at a vendor truck that is there, and it's really good. And I don't know. Like I said, I like free stuff, and I especially like free food. So those are my 7 top reasons for going to woodworking vendor fairs. I hope that there's at least one reason that intrigues you. I think there's a lot to learn there and a lot of fun to have. So get out to the next woodworking vendor fair you can find and see what you can learn. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, I encourage you to invite your friends over and binge watch all the videos on my YouTube channel. And if you do that, get some snacks. The snack I'm recommending today is squirt cheese and crackers. So good. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. See you next time.